Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to RoboThought Zero to Hero series Python machine learning on the edge using Jetson Nano. Guys, we are on lesson number 47, scientific Python constants for machine learning. In the previous video, I showed you how to import the constant, but from now on, I am going to give you more and more details how we can play around with constants in scientific Python. Okay, so as SciPy is more focused on scientific implementations only, it provides many several built-in scientific constants. Okay, and these constants can be really helpful when you are working with machine learning algorithms, which is heavily dependent upon data, right? So that is where SciPy comes into play. Now, for example, pi is a calculation, not py, not Python, but pi 22 by 7, right? So how do you calculate using a scientific constant? And also I will also show you how to import several other constants to see inside the directory how many types of constants are available in this particular lesson. So let's take a look, guys. I am going to share my Jetson Nano IDE and I am on my Visual Studio Code. Alright guys, so let's import, let's say from SciPy, import constant, con constants, there you go. Now let's say print constants dot pi. Okay, let's calculate, let's look at what is pi is. Let's just quickly run this program and see what we get. Let me just expand this video. Run Python file on terminal, right click, run Python file in terminal, and you get a value of 3.141 and the values, right? So this is your pi value. This is how the scientific Python, the constant dot pi will actually trigger and it will give you the print and the output, right? Now let's also take a look the units. Like I'll show you what a constant units are. So there are different types of units. So how do you see those various types of units which are inbuilt within this constant module? Okay, constant, you can call it as a module or a method, but there are multiple inbuilt what do you call the formulas which is inbuilt inside. You just have to call those units, you can call it as units. So what we need to do for that, let me just delete this and let's do it from scratch. Say from SciPy import constants. Okay, now what we need to do, print parenthesis dir is the directory. Okay, then place another parenthesis inside, constants, like this. Okay, you're calling for the directory inside the constants module. So that is what you are trying to do. Now let us see the entire list what is available inside. Don't get scared, guys, it's going to be huge. Right click, run Python file in terminal. Boom, there you go. There are bunch of stuffs, guys. See, for example, unit, value, week, yard, year, yobi, iota. Oh my goodness. And then absolute underscore import, atmosphere, ATM, blob. Oh my god, foot, gallon. Guys, there you can do magic with SciPy. Look at this, inside the constant, the amount of units which is already built in. All you need to do is just call for that and play around with your set of data. That is how the magic is going to happen in machine learning. Alright guys, so this is how you are going to visualize and see, and you are also going to use NumPy and Matplotlib combining together, right? I'm going to show you one by one at a time. Alright guys, that's it for this lesson. I am going to be back soon in the next video. Until then, goodbye.